Alright folks, hello. So this is review, the unboxing the new Bosch, the planer, the Bosch GHO 2682. Now the planer itself came in a hard plastic case, and the case came in this carton box, which I do find very well made. Now if you're going to see the case, this is the Bosch, which came the planer. Now this is the hard-made plastic Bosch. First of all, if you do need some information, the weight of this package, if you're doing some delivery, it's 5 kilo, so it's quite heavy. The case itself has space for your locker. You can choose your locker if you want to. You have two buttons to unlock the case. And there you go, this is the new planer. First of all, there's some instruction, the manual. Please read the manual. It's quite important to know all the information about this electric tool. Now this is the Bosch, the vacuum box for your extraction. It has zip line, and also, which I do find surprise for me, the metal frame, which I think will be quite stable in the work. Now besides that, there is an adapter for your vac. Now myself, I'm using the Bosch vac 20, you can see on your screen now. So I think this adapter will be quite impressive to work with the planer. Now there is a platform adapter to work the parallel guide. As you know, the parallel guide, you can take your quarters if you want, or to work with your wood as a parallel. There are some holes for your screw. Here's the set of the screw. You can screw and unscrew the parallel guide. And here we go. This is the planer, which is quite heavy. Sorry guys. Let's talk about the planer. First of all, this is the blue line, means professional. Some says that for now, present day, the professional line is like the green all time at the Bosch. I don't know, we're gonna find out in the future. Now I was choosing between two models, you can see on your screen, between the Bosch GHO 1682 and this model which I bought is 2682. Now the difference between the 16 and 26, the 60 models is less power with 630 watts, and the deep cut is around 1.6 mil, which I think it's not big difference, but you know, if you have some option you can buy it. So the deep cut is the difference about 1 mil. And another difference between these two models is the dust extraction. Now in my model in 26 I have left side and right side, and in 6 model there is only one side, the right side. So this is the big advantage for model 2682. Now let's talk about the tool itself. First of all, the depth cut. The depth cut is 2.6 mil, which I do find very well. It's quite impressive if you want to cut some wood. Second big advantage, as I told you before, this is the extractor, dust extractor. You have both sides, the left side and the right side. If you do have experience working with the planer, you do know that as I'm ambidexter, I work with the left side and the right side. So for both arms, left and right arm, it's very impressive, and it's a big advantage for this planer. Now the start button, also same story. If you using your left and right side, you have the button, the release button, the safety button, and then you're going just to push the power button of the tool. This is a safety feature, and it works for both sides, left and right side. So this is quite impressive. Now another advantage is the case, as I showed you before, and another I think the advantage is the power, 710 watts, or in US you can take, it's like
0.7 amps, which is quite impressive. Another way, it's the cable. Now this is the UK version, so in UK you have UK plug obviously with the fuse. Fuse is for 13 amps, which is quite helpful. And the cable length is 4 meters, which is very helpful, as my previous planer was from China. It has like 2.5 meters, so it wasn't quite impressive like this model Bosch GHO 2682. Now let's talk about the advantage. First of all is the weight. I think it's quite heavy. I mean, if you do intending to walk all day, the weight will be like a small disadvantage. Another specific, it's the blade. In this model you can find only the one set of blade right here, and this is like a small disadvantage. Mostly the most planer has like 2 blades, and this one has only the 1 blade. But another thing about this blade, that it's 2 sides, so in case if it's not sharpened enough for you, you can just unscrew those 2 bolts and just switch the side of the blade. Another thing, the disadvantage is the price. Well, in my case, you can see on your screen, I bought on Amazon. The price was £137, which stands for 165 euros. Quite impressive. I mean, the price, not so cheap as you do expect. But anyway, this is the brand, the Bosch. I think the work will be just fine if you do work with your wood. And that's all. If you do have some experience, positive or negative, please comment below. It will be quite impressive and quite helpful for me. That's all, folks. Have a nice day.